What's up, y'all? I just want to throw a quick little thing out here that I do. Some of y'all might not, but I do because it keeps shit out of the way. And anyway, so I welded a couple of pegs under the table and long enough to keep all my squares under the edge of the table. So whenever I need to grab a square, I just reach under the table and grab it and whatever, you know. Some of y'all might can use it, some of y'all might not like the idea, whatever. I welded this on here. I can't remember what I was doing something like putting a grinder or something on there. I can't quite remember what it was, but it's long gone now. I don't remember. Anyway, there's all kinds of little things you could do on your tables, but you know, like over here, simple 1/4-inch round bar welded across from one side to the other, and you can get all your clamps hanging here. And then I'll probably do the same thing on the other side eventually for these smaller clamps, because I got probably equally as many of these. But yeah, alright, that's it.